Is it okay if I start the class now? If it is already clear enough? Okay, then I will repeat again. Okay, I will repeat again, start from question 3. So here is the homework from Zalikas. She has a homework that she needs to, she has the first term already. The first term is equals to 3. And then she needs to find the 10th term. And then that is her method. You said that the method is already correct, right? So I will just say that, is Zalika's answer correct? Then I will answer it, yes, it is correct. And then how did she get the answer? Because from she already has the first term, and then she is going to find the 10th term. So it means she needs to find 9 more terms to get the 10 terms. So this is how do I get 9? I get 9 by subtracting the one that I'm going to looking for. I'm going to looking for the 10th term. So I'm going to looking for the number 10. And then the one that is given is number 1. So I will just write it as 10 minus 1, which is equals to 9. And then after that, because the rule is written as at 12, so it will be 9 times 12, the difference, which is equals to 108. After that, because it is 9 more terms from the given one is 3, so it means I need to add the difference with the first term, which is equals to 3. Then the answer will be equals to 111. This is will be equals to the 10th term. Is there anyone have question? If you have any question, please let me know through the chat. Type everything. You can type anything that you think still confusing for you. And if it is possible, maybe you can mute yourself first. Later, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself. You can talk to me to ask, or you can type it through the chat. So the voice will not be like noisy or something. Okay. Now, if no one having question, let us continue to question C1. There is the first term of the sequence is 5. The term to term rule is at 8. We need to find the 10th term. So what do we have to do first? In this case, what do we have to do? Yeah, it's okay if you write it in the different words, but the meaning is the same. It's also okay. It doesn't mean that my handwriting is the only answer. If you have the different answer, but it is similar with mine, it is still okay. Now let us continue to question CI. Let us find the 10th term. What is the 10th term? Anyone want to help me, or my voice gone? Hello?
We can still hear you, sir.
Okay, then if you still can hear me and you have no question about Zalika's method, now let us for question 3C, let us use the Zalika's method to find the 10th term. So what do we have to do first? Hello? Okay, we need to find the difference between the one that we are going to looking for is the 10th term. So I write 10 first. After that, the one that is given is 1. So 10 minus 1, it will be equals to 9. And then we need to multiply 9 with the 8. So it will be equals to 72. Thank you for those who already write it through the chat. And then later the 72 we have to add it by the first term. First term is 5, so it will be equals to 77. Is there anyone having question or getting confused, or my voice is not clear enough? Hello?
Teacher,
Yes?
clear.
Clear, okay. If it is clear enough, I'll continue to question C2. I want you to answer for question C2. I just want to check if you really understand or not. For question C2, how many it will be? Okay, the answer is 157, correct. Is there anyone get confused? How do I get 157?
No, teacher.
Okay, if no one get confused, then now for the 50. How many it will be if the 50 term? Okay, for the 50
Sir,
term.
my phone's a bit lagging, sir. Can you please
Okay.
unlock room? I want to
Okay,
go out.
okay. If you want to go out. For the 50 term, how many it will be? So the same thing we have to do is 50 minus 1, which is equals to 49, and then 49 multiplied by 8, and then the result we added by 5, it will be equals to 397. Okay, thank you. Is there anyone having question? From the chat, I don't think anyone have question. If you have question, please let me know.
Teacher,
Yes.
how do you get to 157?
Okay, now the same thing. I'm going to find the 20 term. So I need to write 20 and then read the question again. What term we do have? We already have the first term. So the first term, the position number is 1. I need to write it minus 1 because I need to find the difference between the one that I'm going to looking for and also the one that is given. The one that we are going to look for is the 20 term. So 20 minus 1 because we have the first term. 20 minus 1 will be equals to 19. After we got 19, we read the question. The term to term rule is at 8. So the 19, I need to multiply it by 8. 19 multiplied by 8, it will be 152. And then after that, because it says 19 more term from the first term, so I need to plus it by, with the first term. 152 plus by 5, it will be equals to 157. Is there anyone having questions still, or my explanation is not really clear? You can clarify your doubt if you still having doubt.
Sir, before I miss counting.
Sorry?
Clear, I only miss
Okay.
counting before.
Okay then, thank you. Is it clear enough? If it is clear enough, I will move to the next number. Is it okay if I move to the next number? Hello? Okay. Then
Yes.
I'll continue to the next number. Because when I move to the next number, the screen will be clean. But later I will send the recording to the Google Classroom. Don't worry if you did not have much time to copy the answer. Later you can copy it from my recording. Okay. Now let us continue to question 4. Ahmad is trying to solve this problem. This is the problem. The fourth term of a sequence is 39. The term to term rule is at 7. Work out the first term of the sequence. So what do we have to do first? Hello? Is my internet gone or something is wrong? I could not hear anyone. Hello? Hello?
Sir, it's me, teacher. I mute myself. I forgot. That's
Oh,
why
okay
this one
then.
thing I can hear you, teacher. But then you said,
Oh,
can
okay.
anyone hear me?
Sir,
Okay then.
39 minus 21, I guess, because at
How do you
7
get 29? How do you get the 21? That's correct step. But how did you get 21? Can you tell me?
7 times 3.
Okay, how do you get 3? Yeah, the
Uh,
fourth and the first, yeah.
fourth, fourth and the first.
Okay, so fourth minus first, it will be equals to 3. And then read the question, the term to term rule is at 7. So the 3 we multiplied by 7 will be equals to 21. So yes, for the first term, it will be 39 minus 21. It's correct. So the first term, it will be equals to 18. Is it, or did I make a wrong calculation? Is it
No.
correct, 18? Okay then. Is there anyone having question? If anyone having question, please let me know. Do not stay quiet. Okay then. Okay, if you have no question, I'll continue to question 5. Maya is trying to solve this problem. The 12th term of a sequence is 16. The term to term rule is subtract 3. Work out the third term of the sequence. So what do we have to do first? Hello? Hello?
Minus 3. 12
How
minus
many? Okay, 12 minus 3, correct. 12 minus 3 will be equals to how many?
9.
9. And then after that, the 9, what do we do with the 9? And also the rule given.
9 times 3.
Okay, 9 times 3 will be equals to how many? 27.
7.
So, okay. So later for the third term, it will be equals to how many?
7 plus 16.
Okay, anyone get confused? Or maybe I go too fast. If you think I go too fast, please remind me. I can so I can go slower. Yeah. Is it really not all of you are turning on the camera?
No, my camera is on.
Oh, then yeah, I mean like only most of you are not turning on the camera. It's Benjamin, William, Nicholas, Giova, Nicholas Orion, and the others are not Stanford, Shirley. What about the others? You're not turning on the camera. Remember, it is a school rules that you have to maintain your camera to be on during the online class. So please, if your signal was okay, it's okay. Please keep your camera on. So me as a teacher, I can make sure that you are still listening to me. You are not just
I'm listening, sir, but
yes,
then
okay.
it's lagging, sir.
Okay, then, but at least if you do not want to turn on the camera, at least be active through the chat box and or maybe you can talk by yourself. So I will enjoy the discussion when the class is too quiet and the one that it's only some people only who turn on the camera. I feel like you are not really there with me. Okay? Yeah. Okay, then I'll continue. Let us continue to this question. What to the question 6? The table shows two terms in a sequence. Show the term, and then we already have the position to term rule. Position to term rule is position number plus 7. So what number it will be for the first term? Anyone knows? Anyone knows what number it will be for the first term?
First term.
Yeah. Yeah, I can read the chat. But I do not reply it. I just read it. Okay, what is the first term? Anyone knows? Okay, if you get confused, you can read the question. Position to term rule is position number plus 7. Now, the one that already have the term is the second term and also the 10th term. For the second term, it's 9. But second term, the position number is number 2. So for the position number in here, I can replace it with number 2. The term is position number plus 7. If I did 2 plus 7, is it equals to 9? Yes, it is equals to 9. Now let us check for the 10th term. 10 term, so the position number is number 10. I can replace the position number into 10. The formula is position number plus 7. So it means 10 plus 7, which is equals to 17. So later if I'm going to find the first term, what do I have to do for the first term? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what do I have to do for the first term? Someone already, yeah, some of you already type it as 8. Thank you. Is there anyone get confused? How do I get 8?
No, teacher.
Okay. If no one get confused, let us find the third term. How many it will be for the third term? Okay, thank you. It will be equals to 10. For the fourth term.
11.
Okay. What about the fifth term?
12.
And then now what about the 20th term?
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
No need to do it. No, do not calculate it one by one. Use the position to term rule. It says position number plus 7. If 20 terms, so it means the position number is 20. 20 plus 7, it will be 27. Is there anyone get confused or maybe I talk too fast?
No.
Okay, if no one get confused, I'll continue to the next question. Really, no one having question?
No.
No, teacher.
If you
Okay.
talk too fast, it's okay, right, sir? You can replay in the YouTube, sir.
Yes, okay. But I mean, do not too quiet, please. I mean, the chat, I want to see the chat also active or you can talk something. Rather than this is too quiet, I feel like I'm talking to myself. Now, let us find, this is also already have the position to term rule. We need to find the first four term. First four term in here, it means we need to find the first, the second, the third, and the fourth terms. So, what number it will be for the first term? Anyone want to help me to answer for the first term? What number it will be for the first term? Yeah. How many it will be? It will be 6. Is there anyone get confused? How do I get 6 for the first term? Is there anyone get confused? Hello? No one?
Yes.
Okay, if no one get confused, I'll continue to the third term. How many it will be for the third term?
No, teacher.
Second term it will be equals to 12. And then for the third term it will be equals to 18. And then the fourth term it will be equals to 24. Is there anyone get confused?
No, teacher.
Okay. No one get confused really?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then now let us continue to question B. If no one got confused, yes?
How do you get 6?
Oh, how do I get 6? Read the question. The question is having the number 6. It says the term is 6 times position number. So if I'm going to find the first term, the position is at number 1. So I can replace the position number into 1. So it will be 6 times 1 for the first term, which is equals to 6. And then it will be 6 times 2 for the second term. It will be 6 times 3 for the third term. It will be 6 times 4 for the third term. So in here for the word position number, you can replace it into any number that you are going to find, which term that you are going to find. If I'm going to find the first term, so the position number I need to replace it with number 1. If I'm going to find the third term, so the position number I need to replace it with number 3. If for example I want to find the 100th term, so it will be the position number I have to replace it with number 100. Is there anyone having question or my explanation still confusing?
Nah.
No, really no question?
Nope.
If no one having question, continue to question B. What is the first term? What will be the first term, anyone? Oh, someone already typed it until the fourth term. The first term, it will be how many? Read the question. Position number minus 4. So, the position number, if the first term, it will be 1. 1 minus 4 will be how many? Negative 3. Now, for the second term, how many it will be? For the second term, how many it will be? If second term, so the position number I replace it into 2. 2 minus 4 which is equals to negative 2. That is for the second term. For the third term, so if third term, what happened?
Negative
The
1
position number, okay, position number will replace it into 3 minus 4 will
minus
be
4
equals to negative 1.
negative 1
Okay, good job. Now for the fourth term. For the fourth term, how many it will be?
0
Okay, for minus 4 which is equals to 0. Is there anyone get confused? If you think I talk too fast or anything still confusing, please let me know which part so I can repeat it again. I know later you can repeat the explanation through the YouTube, but maybe you can clarify which part that is confusing. So later when you try to listen it again at home, there will be no queries. Is there anything that is still confusing for you?
No, teacher.
No.
Number.
Oh,
Nah.
if no
Nah.
question, then I'll continue to question 7C. What it
No,
will be
teacher.
for? Sorry.
What is a position number? I still don't get
Okay.
it. What is position
Okay.
number?
Position number is like for the first term. Like ordinary number. When it is the first term, so the position number will be 1. Let me write it. If first term, that is number 1, so the position number will be 1. If I have the second term, so the position number will be 2. If I have third term, so the position number will be 3. If later, for example, I want to find the 15th term, so the position number will be 15. So whatever term that you are going to find, that will be the position number. If for example in here there will be a question, the 100th term. So the position number is 100. Something just, is it clear enough or making you more confused, Alvin?
Here.
Okay. So later for the first term or question 7c, if I'm going to find the first term, what calculation do I have to write? If you cannot find you cannot directly find the answer, so we can write the calculation. 2 times the position number, we replace it into what number if it is the first term? Because it is a first term, we can replace it into 1. 2 times 1, after that plus by 1. We only replace the position number into whatever term that we are looking for. That's why 2 times 1 plus 1, it will be equals to 3. Is there anyone get confused or maybe my explanation is still confusing?
No.
No, really? Okay, so let us find the second term. The second term later it will be 2 times so many?
2 times
2
2
times 2 and then
plus 1.
plus 1, which is equals to how many?
5.
Okay, good job. And then for the third term, how many it will be if third term?
2 times 3
Okay.
plus 1.
Okay, anyone get confused or maybe my explanation is still confusing for you? Let me know.
Teacher.
Yes? Yes? Someone is talking before? No question, really? Okay, if no one have no question, I'll continue. Really, no question? Okay. Then let us continue to question 7D then, if no one having question. The term is 3 times position number minus 1. So what it will be for the first term?
Three times 1 minus 1.
Okay, 3 times 1 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Anyone get confused? If you are getting confused, please let me know. No question? Okay, if no question, let us continue to the second term. If second term, how many it will be?
3 times 2 minus 1.
Okay, 3 times 2 minus 1, which is equals to 5. And then for the third term, how many it will be? The third term, so it will be 3 times 3
3 times 3
minus
minus
1.
1.
Okay, it will be equals to 8. And then for the fourth term,
3 times 4 minus 1.
okay, anyone have questions so far or getting confused?
No.
Okay, if nothing is difficult, then I can continue to the question 8. Right, we still have time. Yes, we still have some time. For question 8, we only have to find the 10th term, 20th term, and also 100th term. So how do we find it? How do we find the 10th term for the question 8a? What is the 10th term? What is the 10th term for question 8a?
Oh, 15.
What do you get 15? 10 plus 5, which is equals to 15. And then for the 20th term, how many it will be?
25.
Okay, good
2 plus
job.
5.
Yes. For the 100th term,
105.
okay, anyone get confused or maybe I go too fast?
No.
Okay, if no question, what is the 10th term of question 8b?
20.
Okay.
2
And
times
then
7.
for, yes, correct. For the 20th term, 2 times 7. 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 2 times Is my student still here, or is this my internet gone?
No,
Hello.
it's fine.
Okay. How many then is it for the 20 term? Through the chat it says
40.
yeah, it will be 40, not 200. Oh yeah. Is there anyone get confused? 2 times position number. So 2 times 20 is 40. Now if the 100, yeah, for the 100
200.
it will be 200. Okay. Good job. Now for the question uh, 8C, how many it will be?
48.
Okay,
Four
for the
times
10
10.
term. 4
4
times
times
10 and then we
10
plus it
plus
by
8.
8. It will be equals to 48, correct? Now for the 20 term, how many it will be?
80 plus 8. 4 times
Uh-huh.
20 plus 8.
Okay, 88. Thank you for those who already typed it through the chat. Now for another one, for the 100 one, the 100 term, how many it will be?
208.
Okay, good
208.
job. Anyone still getting confused? Is there anyone? No?
No.
Okay. Now let us continue for the 80. 80, what is the 10 term?
25.
How many? 25 or 55? I feel like I misheard something. How many it will be for the first for the 10th term?
25.
Okay, 25. Good job. For the 20 term,
75.
okay, good job. Now for the 100 term,
475.
475, correct? Is there anyone get difficulties? If any one of you get difficulties, please clarify to me. Do not stay quiet.
Okay.
Hmm? No
Nah,
question. Really? Oh, for sure, no question.
no question, teacher.
Okay, if no question, then I'll continue to the next part. See. Okay, let us go. Do we still have time? We still have 4 minutes. I think, yeah, 4 minutes. I think it's still enough for us to discuss a bit of from question 9. Oh, okay, then now the fourth term of a sequence is 11. The seventh term of a sequence is 20. So to check it, it will be easier for you to check it one by one. Someone said that it will be C. Let us check if it is really correct C for the answer. Someone said that it is C. So let us check what is the 11th term of the question for the C, letter C. What is the 11th term for the part C? Anyone want to help me? Hello?
32.
Yeah, 3 times 11 minus 1, which is equals to 32. Oh, wait. Wait, yeah, sorry, I'm misreading. It's supposed to be the fourth term. Sorry. Fourth term.
Fourth term, right?
Yeah, fourth term. 3
11.
times, yeah, 3
11.
times 4 minus 1, which is equals to 11.
11.
Sorry for
11.
the misreading. Okay, now for the seventh term. How many it will be for the seventh term?
21 minus 1, 20.
Yeah, 3 times 7 minus 1, which is equals to 20, correct. So the
3
answer
times 7,
is,
not 2 times 7.
Teacher.
oh yeah. Sorry, this is so many typo. Okay, thank you. It's supposed to be 7 term. It's supposed to be 3 times 7 minus 1, which is equals to 20. Is it correct now, the typing? Okay, then. So which one is the answer? The answer is the letter C. Okay. Is there anyone having question or get difficulties so far?
No.
No, really?
Yeah, really.
Okay. If no question, we still have 2 minutes left. Yeah. Is it enough to discuss the question 10? I think it will be okay to discuss question 10 for a while.
Yeah,
Position?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the position to thumb rule of a sequence is 3 times position number plus 2. Now, this is already have the work. The first term will be 3 times 1 plus 2, which is equals to 5. Do you agree with the first term?
Yes.
Okay, the first term agree. Now, what about the second term? Do you agree with his second term?
Yeah.
No.
Agree? Which
Why?
one then? Is there anyone disagree or agree?
It's
For the second
not
term?
fifth.
Yeah,
Second.
second term he wrote it as 5.
People.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. This
Three
is his. Yeah, it's the second term. It has to be 3 times 2
Yeah.
plus 2. How many it will be? 3 times 2 plus 2, 8. Yeah, for the second term. So the missing is it is second term, but he wrote it as 5. So disagree. Now what about the third term? Is it correct for the third
Nope,
term?
it's wrong.
Supposed to be 17 be
3
3.
times
It's
3
wrong.
plus
So it's supposed to be how many for the third term?
2. 11. 11.
Yeah, 3 times 3 plus 2, which is equals to 11. Okay, so is Raji's homework correct?
9.
Yeah, no. Raji's homework is not correct.
No, it's not correct.
Is there anyone having questions so far?
No, thank you, teacher.
Okay, I think that's all for today's class. Is there anything that is still confusing for you or difficult for you?
No.
Okay. For today, I will
Thank you,
give you.
teacher.
Yeah. Okay. For today, I will